balance. Your core is your rock. Like the rock formations resembling umbrellas carved by nature, this wonder located here in Sitio Sabangan Norte, Barangay Buboy will certainly intensify your connection to your inner power.
It is believed that centuries ago, this is all waters. So, as the centuries comes, the water slowly died down and all these rocks emerged, and eventually it became like this umbrella rock formation. Because of the water, it has been like hundreds and hundreds of years bago ma-form ang mga rocks na ito. Kaya po, inaalagaan po natin ito dahil gawa po ito ng kalikasan. Napo-form ito sa impact ng mga waves, yung water, yung mga ganon, di ba? Kumbaga sa nagkakaroon siya ng baywang, yung mga form ng mga ganon. So, ito nagkaroon na siya ng parang payong, or some says it's mushroom-like. Buhay na mga bato din ito kasi makikita nyo dun sa taas kung may mga halaman siya dahil sa mga moisture.
One of the tourist spots here in Agno is the Umbrella Rocks. Sa halagang 200 to 250 pesos na arkila sa tricycle ay mapupuntahan mo na ito. There are available cottages that you can rent for 500 pesos. And they also have an air-conditioned room for 6 packs that you can rent for 3,000 pesos. Entrance fee and environmental fee is 20 pesos per head. You can also do camping here for 100 pesos with your own tents, and libre naman if you rented your own cottage.
While visiting the Umbrella Rocks, you can also rent an ATV for 300 pesos for 30 minutes. Umbrella Rocks shall serve as a reminder that every strike and every pain carves a beautiful masterpiece that is you.